My name is Wendy Fleischman, and I'm a member of the law firm Leaf, Cabraser, Hyman & Bernstein, which is a national law firm. We represent plaintiffs who have suffered from defective hip implants in hundreds of cases across the country. I am here today to talk to you about another hip implant. This hip implant is called the Stryker Rejuvenate or Stryker ABG2 hip implant. These hip implants are manufactured by Halmedica Orthopedics, a division of Stryker. The Rejuvenate and the ABG2 were manufactured and first sold in the U.S. in 2009 and 2010. Unfortunately, they were recalled by Stryker in June 2012. The hip implant provided doctors an option to have a modular hip implant, which means that it had different pieces. So it was a pipe-on-pipe system that the doctor could put together in the operating room using the different parts. This gave doctors the option to correct a patient's anatomy and to address certain biodynamic or movement issues in the patient. Unfortunately, the pieces of this modular neck system cause friction and degrade or fret. And as they do, they cause corrosion. That means that the metal on metal actually rubs up against each other and causes debris to be released into the patient's tissue surrounding the hip and into the patient's blood system. That causes and can cause some significant problems to the patient throughout his or her entire body system. Stryker recalled these devices in June 2012 because of the corrosion and fretting in the hip systems. Stryker has told doctors who implanted these Stryker Rejuvenate and ABG2 devices to have the patients come back and have blood tests to see if there's metal debris that's been released into the bloodstream, and also to do what's called a cross-sectional film. The cross-sectional film will tell the doctor whether there's fretting and corrosion from these modular parts. These are not single or monolithic blocks. These are modular neck systems, and that's what's causing the fretting and the corrosion.
If you received a recalled Stryker Rejuvenate or ABG2 hip implant, please contact Leaf Cabraser. Our injury attorneys will promptly review your claim for free and without any obligation on your part. Both U.S. News and the National Law Journal have recognized Leaf Cabraser as one of the nation's premier plaintiffs' law firms. We have successfully represented thousands of clients across America in defective medical device cases. We welcome the opportunity to answer your questions and assist you in obtaining full and just compensation for your injuries and losses.